welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Today I have a big old box that I received from Laura over at Laura's Plans and Crafts. I do believe she said this was my birthday box, and I have had this for a little bit. Laura, I'm so sorry. Laura knows things have been crazy, but that's no excuse to be this long on opening somebody's package. I'm so sorry, ladies, but I'm getting to that now. I really appreciate y'all and your patience. And here is her card. So I'm just going to sit this over here and just pull the things out of the box. Okay, let's open her card first. Oh, look how beautiful this card is. Happy birthday. Oh, Laura, thank you for being my friend too. If you do not know Laura, you should get to know Laura. She's just so amazing, and I appreciate Laura so much. Laura, I appreciate you just as much. Thank you so much. This card is so pretty. She just put the little note in there so I could reuse the card, which I just find so hard to do. That card is adorable. Okay, let's see what my friend has sent here. Oh my goodness. Let me save all this for bubble wrap. Oh, look what she sent. This pretty bag. This is very pretty. What do we have here? PS Studio acid-free non-toxic glitter glue. Oh, these are pretty. I haven't seen these. This is kind of like stickles. Oh yeah, like stickles. Thank you, Laura. I will stick those with my stickles. Leave that sit there so I can see how that dries. Save that bag. What is this? I think it's about time to get rid of those scissors. They're not the best in cutting anything. Oh, I seen this on Laura's channel. Laura went targeting. There we go. Oh, look how adorable. Yes, I seen this on her channel. How cute is this just to leave on your desk? Fill it up with some little goodies that you use all the time. Laura, thank you. I love it. It's so cute and bright and colorful and makes you hungry. I really don't need anything to make me hungry, but I'm usually hungry anyway. Oh, look. Yes, look at this bow tissue paper. Oh, yeah. I'm going to try to, well, probably not going to save it because that's taped. Can save a little bit and maybe do something crafty with that. Oh, look. Oh, look. It's my initial. That's so cute, Laura. Oh my goodness, look. I do believe Laura has this tutorial on her channel. I will link that video in my description for Laura. You can check out this tutorial that she has put on her channel. Look at these postcards. How pretty are these? Oh, those are so pretty. Thank you. This is such a fantastic book. Some little... These are Maggie Holmes, I do believe. Do all things with kindness and love. Yes, these are Maggie Holmes. Oh, thank you, Laura. She's got some paper clips. Look at this little heart here. This is cute. Sweet. Some little macaroons. And then some Violet Studio magnetic bookmarks. There's 4 pieces in there. I would say these were on here. And they have fallen off, but that's okay. It's probably my fault. Well, over here. She's got some rainbow heart stickers. Love. Oh, this is like soft, velvety. This one is, and this one, this is too. Like soft velvety, and so are these. Oh, those are so fun. These are like little shaker vials. Oh, with some sentiments in there. How cute are those? Huh, I never seen those. Thank you, those are neat. And then we have another page here. I had to go get this vellum. Laura showed that on her channel, and I had placed an order online and I didn't see it, so I had to run up to Michael's and get a couple of these vellum packs, and that is what she has made this little pocket out of. Look how great of a job she did with that. Made a great pocket. Fantastic. And you cannot even see like the glue back here. She's got that well made. Oh, look how pretty this is. These are nice and thick little pieces. Thank you for those, Laura. Oh my goodness, I love them. She just packed this full of sweet little goodies. I love this pocket. It is so fun. And then she's got this little strawberry paper clip on here, and some more of those Maggie Holmes sticker pieces, cardboard sticker pieces. Oh, look here. Oh, this little pencil. Look how cute this is. Oh, that is adorable. And she's got this, you can see this is a pocket here. Here is a little notepad she's made. I love this. Look how cute. No, Laura, thank you so much. How cute. I'm going to leave this right here on my desk and take little notes when I need to. Oh, look. This is a wax seal. And some little note pages in here. Oh, this is such a fun idea. That is great. Oh my goodness, Laura, thank you so much. I love this little book. I will link that tutorial in my description along with Laura's channel, so you can go check her out if you do not already know her. I love these little hearts. They're embossed. Sweet. This is so cute. I love it, and it's so sturdy and well made. Okay, here's some pretty tissue paper with light pink hearts. Let me get my junky scissors here. I would get a better pair, but I have so much in the way right here on the other side of my desk that if I reach for them, I would have an avalanche. Oh, look at this. This is Vera Bradley. Oh my goodness, Laura. I love this. And here is a strap for it. I love this. And you do not even know in the summertime that I just carry another little Vera Bradley wallet that's like summer. Where did I pick that up? Beals. I found it in Beals. It have like flip-flops and stuff on it. But this is absolutely perfect. Like when you go to the zoo or something like that, you don't want to carry your big purse. Laura, thank you so much. I love this. This is adorable. Oh my goodness, thank you. You did not have to do that. Oh my. Wow, thank you. I love that. I love Vera Bradley. I love her designs. She's just got a fantastic mind with just so creative. Oh my goodness, look what she has sent. Here is some Market Square enamel dots, and I do have a small collection of Market Square, but I do not have these, I don't think, or did I find some? And this is the Day-to-Day Maggie Holmes stickers. These are very nice and thick cardboard, and she had added some to her book. Thank you so much. And then this is Confetti Maggie Holmes. I do have a small collection of this. Market Square. Thank you, Laura. Oh my goodness. And Sunny Days Alphas. I love these, and I think these are a great way to personalize a project you're sending to somebody. And oh, look at the carousel charms. Thank you so much. Aren't those so pretty? I love them so much. Thank you so much. Laura, you're just so thoughtful, I swear. And yet there's more, y'all. There's still more. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Wow, Laura, you really, really should not have. You have outdone yourself. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Very pretty tissue paper. Oh, I seen this. I tried to find this and I couldn't find this. This is a carousel dupe that is from AliExpress. She says she has one and she loves it. I hope you like it too. Oh my goodness, I seen this on your channel. Laura, thank you so much. Yeah, I love it. I think it's very pretty. I think you can for sure slide this right in your projects. Cards, everything. Whoops, 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 whoops. Oh yeah, this is great. A great quality paper too. I think you could slide it right in there and you wouldn't even know. And then it's got some ephemeras. Look how cute. Oh, Laura, thank you so much. I love it. Oh my goodness. I'm excited to have that because it's very hard to get carousel. Very, very hard. Let's see here. I'm going to try to save some of this tissue paper. I think I can do something, make an ATC card or something out of this tissue paper. I saved as much as I could. Oh, Laura, yes, she told me she had this for me. Thank you so much. Yeah, you got to snatch these up, really, because you cannot hardly find any of these anymore. It'll go great with that paper there, too, if you want to do a project. And then she sent me some of these cold laminating sheets. Look how pretty these are. These are so fun. And so you can see, like, you wouldn't use your, your laminating machine with this. Oh, I love these so much, Laura. Thank you. These are so super neat. Wow, yeah, Laura always finds some of the neatest things. The neatest. I love watching her hauls. What in the world? Oh my goodness. So you don't have anything that matches the Sunny Days? Oh, look at this. But that's okay. She says if you are missing, and that is just fine. Laura, thank you so much. I love it. I love this collection too. Laura also has a D-Stash Instagram channel. I'll link all of that down in the description. Said she had this left over and I had bought a pad from her, so she sent this one to me. There may be things used in here and that's just fine and dandy. Love this. It's so fun. Laura, thank you so much. Laura asked, somebody, Carolyn's Beauty. I will link her channel in the description. She sent me some friend mail, and she sent me some of this collection. It's Bow Bunny, Willow Sage, and then I had gotten a small collection of it from, what was that from? Peachy Cheap. So Laura asked me, would I like to have this chipboard? It matches and I said, yes, thank you so much. This goes to Willow Sage, and I think it's such a beautiful collection. I only have such a small collection of it. I love it. So I'm waiting on the perfect little challenge or something swap to use it. Laura, thank you so much. I love it so much. Thank you. And then, oh my goodness, what do we have here? Oh, she sent so much. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? Rose quartz. Oh, look at all those sentiments. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I love it. Oh, they're double-sided. Oh, look at back, little dots. Oh, I love cut aparts. What is done in love is done well. Life is good. Kindness is powerful. Hello, hello. Wonderful, beautiful, amazing hustle. I love this. This is so pretty. Oh, you got this. Let your light shine. Follow your dreams. Oh, Laura, thank you so much. I love it. Oh, and this is Cotton Fields. This is such a great pad. I love this. Isn't this pretty? Oh, that's like glittery. These little flowers. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got like the glittery flowers. Thinking of you, thanks. I love cut aparts. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Yeah, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous pad. Oh my goodness, Laura, thank you so much for everything. Wow, you just really went above and beyond with these gifts. I really appreciate them so much. I love everything. Make sure you're subscribed to Laura. You do not want to miss out on her craftiness, her kindness. Just everything about Laura is fun. Thank you all so much, and I will link everybody mentioned in the description and Laura's tutorial for this wonderful book she made. Very sturdy, well-made book. It's so fun. I will link Carolyn's channel in the description. Make sure you check these ladies out. They're both very kind. I appreciate you all so much for coming to watch this video, and I hope you have a fantastic morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you're having fun. Thank you. Bye.